Friends, this is Eric from Ericopedia, and I'm meeting you on the fourth or fifth Saturday. So, in this video, you have seen the pictures, you have thought of the largest bird in the world, the strongest bird in the world, but this video is going to be the largest bird in the world, as I told first. And we saw the pictures of some random um, biggest birds in the world. But I'll tell you that please don't tell like I'm very wrong. I'm very sorry. Golden eagle is the biggest. Andean condor is the biggest. Or wandering albatross is the biggest. Or ostrich or cassowary. Anything. Okay. But I am telling about my top 10. My wish that top 10 biggest birds in the world. And now let's check on into the video. Let's go on to number 10, which is wandering albatross. It weighs up to 7 kgs, that is fully grown adult, and its length is 1.1 to 1.4 meters. It has the largest wingspan of any living bird, about 12 feet, and its conservation status is vulnerable. 9. Golden eagle. Now, let's see. Span is 1.1 to 2.3 meters, length is 66 to 100 centimeters. Male weighs up to 360.6 kgs and female weighs up to 7 kgs. They are mostly found in the ranges of Alaska through North America, and they are commonly found in Asia. I'm ranking harpy eagle as number 8. Talons are bigger than grizzly bears. Its length is 99 centimeters. Its kg is 4.8 kgs. That is fully grown adult. Its conservation status is near threatened. It's the largest eagle in the world. I'm ranking Dalmatian pelican as number 7. Its mass is from 9.5 kg to 10 kg and its conservation status and its conservation status is vulnerable and its lakes, rivers and estuaries and it's one of the creepy in the list. That is Dalmatian pelicans weighs up to 9.5 kgs. Its conservation status is very least, or you can also tell like vulnerable, and it's one of the creepy tweety in the list, and this even can hit a whole mongoose. I'm ranking Andean condor as number 6. You saw that it lengths from 100 to 130 centimeters, and its weight is 7.7 to 15 kgs, and you saw the size difference between Andean condor and wolves. Now, mostly Andean condors lives in the ranges of Mexico and Andes. Okay, the range of Andes in North America, in South America, and it's most of them lives in the parts of South America and some parts of Alaska. And now, let's see. I'm ranking Emperor Penguin as number 5. You saw its lifespan, height, many more things, and it's the tallest penguin and heaviest penguin ever in this world. And can I tell a different thing about that? Penguins mostly like fishes. That's not very different because even human beings like fishes. I will tell that this emperor penguin is very, 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 very affectionate to their children. It never leaves them alone, and even the children will become very mature to hunting after 5 or 4 age, after it crosses 4 or 5, as its lifespan is 20 years. They are living together, they will always live together in Arctic. Okay, it's Arctic, it never lives in Antarctic. Number 4, I'm ranking the greater Rhea. You saw major informations about Great Area. I will tell Great Area is native to South America, and in the group of Raidae, which is the common family of Great Area, they live in Argentina, Bolivia, and in one more country. Okay, in South America, they're native to some South America. I'll read that emus and these great areas were literally same, but though great area have huge hair and most of you tell the great area is bigger, but actually emu is much bigger. Now let next see about emu. I'm ranking emu as number 3. I want all of you to be confused and surprised. Like, emu is the largest bird after ostrich in its body weight, or in its hair, in it, or in its height, or its legs. But how is cassowaries in the second rank? You may wonder. This is because cassowaries are heavier than emu, and cassowaries seem taller because of their scary eyes and scary beak. Oh, let's next see about cassowaries. Before that, I've done an interesting fact. Emu is the second largest flightless bird in Australia. And do you know that Australia is the native of biggest birds, both ostrich and emu. Now let's see about cassowary. I'm ranking cassowary as number 2. Number 1, I'm ranking ostrich. You can tell many things about ostrich. Ostrich is the biggest bird in the world, biggest land bird, and everything. It ran in 70 kilometer per hour, and I love ostriches. Thank you so much for watching this video. Next video will be very interesting. You can see that.